Bumbling Tourist proudly presents
Sushi, Shinkansen, Sakura, and Sake!
An exploration of friendship and misadventures in Japan crammed into a series of easily digestible vloggy vlogs for the whole family.
I wish I could take them all home, but that's illegal. Nagano was the hosting city for the 1998 Winter Olympics. And as of currently, in 2019, Nagano is still the most southern city in the entire world to have hosted the Winter Olympics. Look at the little pigeon coming back from the shrine. Yaki? And what flavor did you get? Yeah, but how do you say it?
Nozawana.
Nozawana? How's your Nozawana? It's probably way too hot to eat.
Yeah, it's burning my fingers.
Okay, we'll wait a couple minutes. Is it oishi?
Yes.
I'm still not in the center.
I got to the center right away.
Mine's chestnut cream, and yours is apple
custard.
Apple custard, and that one's red bean.
Red bean, I'm all about
Red
red
bean.
bean.
This is gonna be delicious, I swear.
I ate his eyeball first. Did you go straight to the
Goodbye, fish eye. That was so good. It's not very sweet. I really like that it's not very sweet. I'm in your way. But now you're blessed.
I'm blessed. I feel blessed. I'm blessed. Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna do it? Unless we do it wrong and we were like backwards all of our good
I
luck.
was like opposite of
Yeah.
You're weird stopping with this kind of
You stopped my good luck. It's another man blowing around the lantern balls. No, he's blowing lantern balls. Every temple has a lantern ball blower. That'd be the best job ever. The temple like begins and starts, but it's a huge compound. It's a beautiful compound. Because there was that like entrance gate at the end of the road, and then you walk past a bunch of shops, and there is the temple. Is that all the temple? I wonder. memorial for undelivered mail. This memorial is dedicated to lost letters. Workers dedicate this monument in 1971. Zenkoji Temple is one of the most important and popular temples in Japan. It was founded in the 7th century and stores the first Buddhist statue ever to be brought into Japan when Buddhism was introduced in the 6th century. The original statue is hidden, while a copy of it is shown to the public every 6 years for a few weeks. In the basement of the inner chamber is an underground passage, which visitors walk through in complete darkness in search of the key to paradise. The key is attached to a wall along the corridor, and it is believed to grant salvation to anybody who touches it.
It's a smoothie. It's a self-movie, so it's a smoothie thing.
It's very funny.
What are you doing? Oh! I like the size of comparison.
Yeah, let's see. Size of face, size of beer. Size of face, size of beer.
I'm getting this trip.
You're gonna get major guns.
Yeah.
It's gonna be jacked.
You're gonna be as big as this.
I like that through the whole process of decorating these photos, Sailor Moon theme just plays all the time.
Finish.
That was our video.
First day in Nagano.
Thanks so much for watching. Tune in again tomorrow. We'll show you some more Nagano. We're going to check out some pretty awesome shrines. Please subscribe and like and all that jazz. You know the story. Bumbles signing off. Cheers.
Picture.